guys, welcome back to my brand new video. This is Shreya and you're watching Shri Creates. This is the first time I'm vlogging and I don't know how to even vlog. Like, I just make videos out of sitting at some place and then vlogging. But then this time I have tried to vlog. So right now it is 6:45 p.m. in the evening, and actually, I don't have such plans to do right now, but I was watching one video. I mean, I watch her videos every time, but then I was watching her video, Ramya. I'm in just love with her right now. I mean, I don't know what to say. Oh, but yeah, I love her videos. Like, she's an intern. You can also watch. I mean, it's just what I can say. Productiveness comes into me when I watch her videos, like motivation or something like that. So yeah, she's Ramya and she's from Bangalore. Most of them know, of course, her. So she's a new content creator on the YouTube. So yeah, let's take you till my sleep, okay, at the night. So yeah, carry on. Guys, welcome back. Right now, we have just moved out from the home to just walk, and the weather is so cool here. I mean, um, there's just peaceful vibes coming over here. You know, she's Sandy. She's coming first time into my vlog, and I don't know. We have just come because from morning we were at home. We were bored, so we thought we could come and yeah, take you through this. This is the road. See the greenery of here. We stay where there are a lot of trees.
This again reduced.
Yeah, they have reduced.
They have built
बहुत पेड़ थे ना, है ना सानवी?
It used to look like some wildlife sanctuary के बीच में आ गए.
हाँ.
At least because I don't remember मैं छोटी थी.
हाँ.
मैं पापा बोलते.
True. तो
हमारे घर के सामने जो बिल्डिंग है ना, वहाँ पे
भी झाड़ थे. So this is how evening looks here. So yeah, we are back. बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ हो रही है वहाँ पे and I don't know how to even vlog there, so we thought that we could come home now because it's even what's the time, Sanvi? Maybe it's 7:30. So yeah, and वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ हो रही थी गार्डन में. I could not even take shots there, so I thought कि वापस आना ही पड़ा. मेरा प्लान था कि
गार्डन का रोड एक ही रोड अलग है.
या
इतना फर्क है इधर.
हाँ,
ट्रैफिक और शांतता.
So we were like, let's go home. घर चलेंगे. तो फिर yeah, I was actually planning to do some work of college because just hold this on work of college क्योंकि yeah, तो मैंने वहाँ पे ज़्यादा कुछ मतलब भीड़ तो बहुत थी, so we could not even shoot over there. So इंजीनियरिंग वालों को ऐसे ही होता है.
फर्स्ट ट्रैक में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक का सामान है.
हाँ. So just leave that, Sanvi. That's the other part. They're crossing the road now. Yeah. And we thought कि और अभी घर जाने के बाद I'm going to have few assignments to write. And लोग हमें घूर के देख रहे हैं because I'm vlogging and पागल की जैसे खुद से ही बात कर रही है ऐसे लग रहा है. But then no, we are vlogging शायद मेरा कैमरा ब्लर आ रहा है ना, जस्ट बिकॉज टिल्टेड नहीं है, मैं सेल्फी कैमरा से ब्लॉग कर रही हूँ। तो हाँ, व्हाट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट इज, मैंने थोड़े असाइनमेंट्स बाकी थे, वो लिखना है घर जाके। एंड देयर वर फ्यू मेरे कॉलेज वर्क्स थे जो कि दे आर पेंडिंग, सो I don't know, I hope I'll be able to complete them. Let's take you there. We are at the lift. You can just hear that music around. I've just reached home, guys, and I am thinking to do my college works first, then continue with my daily DSA problems and prep works. So, yeah, meet you there. From past 1 hour, I am trying this particular circuit. It's not coming, guys, because these red lines shouldn't come. I don't know where has the glitch happened. I don't know. I'll show you the whole circuit. This is the whole circuit. So समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या करूँ. I'm trying this ChatGPT also, but समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या. It is saying that switch mode some wires go. There is no wiring mistake da, but I don't know how it is even doing this. पता नहीं चल रहा है क्या करे इसका, क्योंकि मैं from past 1 hour, I'll show you how it works, okay? Like when it is 0, it is also showing, but when it is 1, this is correct. So basically I'm designing a counter where there is a mode bit, like this is the bidirectional counter, wherein 0 means it will act as down counter and 1 means it will act as up counter. So when it is even 1, when I give the clock pulse, this number should change, this and this, but कहीं पे भी कुछ भी चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. So basically, yes, there is one output hanging over here, but either I have to disconnect it from everywhere or something like that. It should be done. So समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या करें. आई विल ट्राई, एंड मेरे को नहीं लग रहा है कि आज ये कंप्लीट होगा. सो yeah, let's see. Not get much time to do that because I'm in this pressure कि मेरे को ये कल दिखाना है and I have to work upon this. So I'll try like tonight, and मेरे को इसका editing भी करके आज ही upload कर देना है today's vlog. So I'll end my vlog over here. Just comment it out, guys, कि कैसा लगा आज का vlog मेरा, and just tell me whether I should continue with vlogging. So if you are yes to this, I'll just continuously upload these kind of vlogs. So yeah, thank you, bye bye, see you in my next vlog. Sorry guys, bye bye.